Shahid Abbas and you are watching IT Assignment Professor channel. So today we are going to start new module number 2, that is new perspective Excel 2019 project 1. Okay, so this is module number 2. We have completed the module number 1, 5 assignments we have completed. Now we are moving to the module number 2. So let's start from the beginning. The title of the assignment is First Mittagong Community Bank. Okay, so you can download Excel and Word file from the same website easily. I have already downloaded it. So in the first question, is just simply saying that download and save it. Okay, by rename. So basically in this module we will learn about the formatting. Okay, formatting of workbook. So different kind of formatting we will do as per the instruction. So let's start. Go to Excel sheet, click on file, go to save as, click on browse, just replace this one with 2, click on save button. Okay, so we have done this. We will move to the question number 1. Let me highlight this so that you can easily see. Titus Ellison is a loan officer with the First Mittagong Community Bank. Titus is adding formatting to the workbook he used to track interest rates to increase its usability. Change the theme of the workbook to office. Okay, he is simply saying that change the theme of the workbook to office. Okay, so we will go to Excel sheet, then we will go to the page layout. Here are themes. So this is first one is office, so click on the office. Okay, so question number 1 is done. Now we will move to the question number 2. Okay, question number 1 complete. No color. Let me highlight this so that you can easily see the question. In question number 2 he is saying that switch to the mortgage worksheet, then format the heading, merge and center the range A1 to D1. So step by step we will go to guide you so that you can learn easily. So in first step he is saying that merge and center the range A1 and D1. So go to Excel sheet, go to mortgage, paste the range here, enter. So this is the range we need to center and merge. Go to home. In the home tab, this is merge and center, click on it. Okay, and next he is saying apply the FM heading cell style to the merge cell. Okay, so we need to apply the FM heading. So this is cell style. Okay, click here, and the first one is FM heading, so click here. Okay, question number 2 is complete, very easy. If you have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box or you can contact with me on WhatsApp. Okay, question number 3, merge and center the range. First of all we will copy this range and then merge and center it. Okay, go to Excel sheet here. So this is our range, we need to merge and center. Merge and center is done, and he is saying that apply the FM subheading cell style to the merge cell. Okay, so on this heading we need to apply the FM substyle. Okay, question number 3 complete. In question number 4, he is saying that format the effective date information for the range A1 B4. Okay, copy this range, and he is saying that apply the node cell style. Okay, paste the range here, Okay, he's saying that apply the note cell style. Go to cell style, then apply the note. Okay, further he is saying that for cell A4 apply italic to the text and align right. Okay, for A4 this is A4, we need to apply italic and align right. Okay, right. For B4, next for B4 change the date format to day, month and year. So we need to change the date in which the day, month and year will be appear. Okay, so go on the date section. This is our date. Click here. Now we will find the format in which the day, month and year is mentioned. This is day, month and year. Okay, so day, month and year is mentioned. So question number 5, format the mortgage table rate table for the heading in A6 to D6. Copy this range, center and bold the text. So first we will center and bold the text. Okay, so copy this and paste here, bold and center. Okay, further he is saying then change the font color to blue gray text too. Okay, no problem. You are using any MS Office 2019 or 15 or any software you are using, we just need to follow the instruction. As per the instruction, he is saying that fourth column first row, okay, of the theme color palettes. So we will go here. These are our theme colors, and fourth columns first row, 1 2 3 4. So this is our fourth column. Okay, then he saying merge and center the range A7 to A9. Copy this, paste here. So we need to merge and center. Okay, done. Okay, so question number 6, copy the formatting of the merge cell in the range A7 to A9. Okay, then paste the formatting in the range A10 to A18 to create 3 more cell merge. Okay, so A7 A9 we have done in question number 5. So copy this range A7 A9, control C, paste here, click OK. So we need to copy this formatting and apply on the A10 to A18. Okay, so A10 start from here and A18 will go here. Okay, so just click on the A7 to A9, this cell number, click on format, enter, then paste here. Okay, simply. If you have any question, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Question number 7, in the range B7 to B18, copy this range, apply the percentage number formatting with 2 decimal places, then copy this format to the range D7 to D18. Okay, okay, so first of all we will paste the range here. So this is the range where we need to do work. So go here, go to percentage. Okay, so 2 decimal is already selected, just click on the OK, done. And now we need to copy the format on the range D7 to D18. Okay, so D7 to D18, this is our D7 and this is our D18. So we need to apply the that formatting on column number D. Okay, so go to format painter and then select this range. Done. So we have done this question. In question number 8, in the range C7 to C18, apply the number format and then increase the decimal to show 3 decimals. Okay, so we will go apply the range here, then we need to go again here, go to number and 3 decimal as is said in the instructions. Okay, okay. Now question number 9, change the background color of the range A7 to D9. Okay, copy this range and apply here so that we can know that what is the range. Copy this to green accent 6, lighter 80%. Okay, 10th column, second row of the theme color palettes. Okay, so go here and 10th column, this is 10th column, 80% he said, this is 80%. Okay, so this question is done. So question number 10, copy the formatting of the range A7 to D9 and then paste the formatting in the range A13 to D15. Okay, so first select this range. I think it is already selected, so we just need to click on the format painter and then paste on the next range, that is A13 to D15. This is A13 and this is D15. Okay, done. Question number 11, in the range A6 to D18, add a border around all cell using the all border option. So we just need to copy this range, then go to Excel sheet and paste the range here. We need to add the border. Go in the border section and click on the all borders. Okay, all border option. So question number 11 is complete. 4 questions are remaining left. So if you have this type of assignment, you can share with me. I will complete for you. Okay. Now let me show the final sheet. Our final sheet will be look like this. Is our first sheet. First Mittagong Community Bank mortgage interest rates. Okay. So you can check this and compare with the sheet which we have done. Okay, so this is the second one, mode money market. We didn't work on the money market, so if you have this kind of assignment, you can share with me. So we will meet in the next video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.